With e-ticket, your Dominican Republic entry and exit registrations are much faster and easier.
From now on, you can register online at eticket.migracion.gob.do.
If you are traveling with your family, you can complete the form for yourself and 6 members of your family, 7 in total. You will receive 1 QR code per family group.
All you need to do is go online, complete the form 72 hours prior to your arrival and show the printed QR code or have it on your phone when entering the country. You can complete the exit form at any time, and you do not need to show that QR code.
As of May 1, 2021, the e-ticket digital forms are mandatory.
Dominican airports have free Wi-Fi access, in case passengers need to fill out the form upon arrival. Complete your form at eticket.migracion.gob.do.
Any questions? Visit viajerodigital.mater.gob.do.